What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Qasim, and on today's Tip Tuesday episode we are talking about how to use AirDrop on iPhone. Grab your phone and jump to the home screen. From the top right of the screen of the iPhone, swipe with one finger down to open up Control Center. Check and make sure that your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. Next, press and hold down with one finger on the network settings. Inside here, you will see AirDrop in the bottom left. Tap on this and make sure it's set to contacts, or if you want to transfer with someone who's not in your contacts, then set it to everyone. Now next I'm gonna share a video. Find and open the Photos app, find a video you want to send, and tap on it to open it up. In the bottom left you'll see a share icon. Tap on this. Next, tap on AirDrop, and here you will see your devices that are linked to your iCloud account that are ready to receive files. When you're sending a file to your own devices, it accepts automatically and will open up. If you're sending or receiving from someone else, then it will ask to accept the file. Just accept and your file will be transferred over. You can also use AirDrop for apps like Safari to share links and to share files like PDFs, etc. AirDrop is an awesome feature and I use it all the time to transfer files between my MacBook and iPhone. Alright guys, that does it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found the video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've got anything to say, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you next Tuesday, same time, same place.